Hello. Today, we're learning about the phrasal verb hang something up. It has two main meanings. First, it means to put something on a hook or hanger. For example, you hang up your coat when you come inside. Second, it means to stop doing something like a job or sport. For example, a football player might hang up his boots when he retires. Hang something up is separable. You can say, hang your coat up or hang up your coat. But with pronouns, always put the pronoun between the verb and up. Say hang it up, not hang up it. You can also use hang up to mean ending a phone call. For example, she hung up the phone. Remember, hang up is different from give up. Give up means quitting any habit or activity. Hang up is often about stopping a job or sport. Try to use hang something up when talking about hanging clothes or stopping a career. Practice makes perfect. Keep listening and using hang something up in your conversations. Thanks for watching and keep learning English.